Good morning. So today I am going to give you a little tutorial on this winter bird feeder take-home kit. So in your kit, you're going to have a little bit of bird seed. If you this kind of cereal, they're basically Cheerios. They're just all natural with no additives, no salt, no sugar, nothing like that. The same with peanut butter. You have Jason's in your packet, and I gave all our packets away, so I'm just using some of my natural peanut butter from home. So it shouldn't have any salt, any sugar, or no additives, anything like that. It's really not good for the birds. All right, other thing you'll have is a bit of string. It looks a little like this. On the roll, it's just like 100% cotton cooking twine. And then you'll have 3 little circles that I've punched a hole in. These are just from a paper towel tube. So to get started, the first thing you're gonna do, and this will be easier with your packet, you are going to use your peanut butter. I'm gonna have to stir mine up really quick. Okay, that's looking more like peanut butter now. So, before my hands get all messy, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my string. I cut a length off there. And on the end, I'm gonna use a single Cheerio to tie on to the end here. Just run the string through the Cheerio, pull it down here, and go ahead and make a loop. Nothing fancy, just something to hold it on to the end there. I have made one of these already, and the squirrels loved it just as much as the birds, I think. So they actually stole it from the backyard, and I thought that was hilarious. They got all the peanut butter off, and then they just left these in the string laying on the ground. So they were definitely fans. Oh, and I just broke my Cheerio, so I'm doing this one more time. As you can see, it's quite a messy process. So I would suggest laying down some newspaper or something like that. All right, here we go. Here's our bottom Cheerio. Gonna hold it on here. All right, just gonna lay that down now. Trim this. Okay. First things first, we're going to coat these on the outside with peanut butter. Spread out another piece of scratch paper or a paper towel or whatever you have here. And then now's the time to string your birdseed. So take your first one and try to figure out where the hole is. It's always the trickiest part. You can kind of see mine here. I would recommend having a pin or something pokey to use to clear out the hole. So I'm actually just going to roll up a little piece of paper that I can use. There we go. All right. Let's see. Go ahead and poke all the bird seed out of the hole there. So, and this side as well. So. Put it through the first side. And then you're going to take a few pieces of cereal. I believe I used about 7 of these. Four. Five. 6. And 7. And just count how many you have and plan out how many you want in the middle, between, and on top. That's probably a little too many for it to fit. So take one back off. And then I'm going to thread it through the top hole on the inside. There we go. So you have your first rung on your little bird feeder now. Okay, next you're going to put a few in between. Probably going to put somewhere between 5 and 7 here. Cheerios are okay for birds in small quantities like this. Obviously, they can't get the nutrition that they need out of this. This is more like a treat. But it's not going to be their only source of food. So it's more like us having, a dessert or a little treat at some point. We can't live off of pie, but we can certainly enjoy it every once in a while. All right, now we're going to find the hole in the next one. And there you have it. Your very own adorable bird feeder. The top, I'm just gonna make a loop. I know where I'm gonna hang mine at home. You might wanna take that into account when you're doing this part. Does it need a big loop, or are you gonna have to tie it onto a tree branch? You can save this part for when you're actually outside. I'm gonna hang mine on my bird feeder, and it has an arm, so I can go ahead and tie mine. And there you have it. Your birds will thank you.